In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance photos inside the Remini app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you should have downloaded Remini by now. So once you've downloaded and installed Remini, go ahead and open it. You're brought to a page that looks like this. Obviously, your camera roll is going to look different than mine. So if you'd like to edit or enhance a image that you've got inside your phone, just go ahead and upload it, or you can just scroll around here and find that photo. So I've already got a photo I'd like to enhance, so this one here. So I'm going to click on this photo, and now I'm going to click on enhance, and now it's going to upload the image to Remini, so then we can start editing the video, the photo. So I'm going to give that a few moments to load. And make sure not to quit the app, because you'll lose the upload of that photo as well. Alright, once that has happened, so you're going to have a before and after on the top left and right. So after is using the enhance. So if we use this, move this scroller left to right, you can see the image being enhanced. It does make a huge difference. So if we scroll that all the way to the left, if we like the look of that, we can go ahead and click on download. We can change background blurs, colors, background enhancer, face retouch, face enhancer. I'm not going to go too deep into that, but if you want to play around, go ahead and click into any one of them and have a muck around. So if you like the look of this, go ahead and click on the download button. And now this is going to save right into your phone gallery. And you can, after you've done that, you can click on enhance another image as well straight after. And there's also a share button, so you can share that directly to your socials or your contacts on your phone.